everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe unboxing. Today I have a huge box to share with you guys. I have Little Terrors, the Tokidoki collaboration, and the brand new Century of Magic Disney collaboration with JuJuBe. So here we go. Oh, it's a huge box. I requested lots of things so I could share with you guys all the different styles and things like that. So let's go ahead and dig in. I am super excited. It's been a little while since I've done an unboxing for JuJuBe, but they are some of my most favorite videos to film for you guys because I just love opening boxes, but especially JuJuBe, especially when there's print placement involved. And that's like the Little Terrors. I'm really excited about that one. I love Tokidoki. But the Century of Magic is super cute too. It's like absolutely perfect for Disney. So I know a lot of people are still traveling right now. What is this? Ooh, they gave me a little 10% off code. Ooh, they're wrapping things a little differently these days. Look at that pretty paper. I can actually reuse that for something, I bet. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this paper, but I'm looking at the Little Terrors, which is on top. Oh my gosh, this is all so cute. Look at all this stuff. All right, I'm gonna pull one thing out at a time. This print is absolutely adorable. And I've got perfect print placement with Donatella. I don't normally get lucky with print placement on Be Lights, but today I did, so I'm really excited about that. I'll show you guys my print placement. This is the Be Light. I absolutely adore the Be Light. It is so perfect for when I'm traveling or if you have a quick trip you need to take out. If you are doing diapers and wipes still, this is a great bag to do quick trips in. So I love that. Look at the print placement. I have Donatella right on the front. I feel like she's just so cute, but there's like so many cute characters on this print. I mean, she's always gonna be my favorite, but I feel like I'm gonna find something else that I love just as much on here. Like there's so many cute characters. I love that. And there's a black enamel tag on the very top here. I love the enamel tags that JuJuBe has been doing on their bags. I don't think I've seen the lining on this print yet. Ooh, it's really pretty. Very complimentary. It's this really pretty blue color. I want to say, let me look at it one more time. I want to say it's like a sky blue, like on a bright sunny day, cloudless sky blue. That's what it looks like. And then you have all the different Toki hearts and crossbones and all that. So that is really, really cute. I love it. Love, love, love it. So cute. I can't wait to see what else I got because I cannot remember what I ordered. But it looks like I got some good stuff in here. All right. Ooh. This is the Bestie. I believe this is the Bestie. I always get that one and the Mini BFF confused until I look at the tag. But this is the Bestie, which is one of my favorite small bags JuJuBe makes because it's basically a really small version of the BFF, which is one of my top favorite JuJuBe bags. This one's so cute. I didn't get my print placement on it, but it's still really cute. And I think my second favorite print placement, and I don't know who this little girl is, but she is really, really cute riding this uni here. Can you guys comment down below if you know what that character's name is? Put it in the comments below for me because she's really cute. And she's riding like a uni rocking horse. It's absolutely adorable. I love this print. It is so cute for back to school. And I did want to mention, if you guys want to shop the Little Terrors or the new Century of Magic with me, I would love that. I'm going to leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys. You can shop through that anytime. So that is the Bestie. Shall we open it? I want to see how cute it is on the inside with this print. I just love this lining. Isn't that so cute? And the best thing about this bag is that you can wear it over the shoulder, crossbody, and as a backpack. So I love convertible bags. So that is the Bestie. So cute. Next, I'm going to do the Century of Magic second because that is the newest print that has released from JuJuBe, and I really want to do Little Terrors first because it's just so much fun seeing the print placement. What did I get here? Is this the BFF? Ooh, oh, with perfect print placement. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at this, you guys. I got Donatella right on the front. This is the BFF. Like I said, this is like one of my favorite JuJuBe bags of all time. It is the perfect stroller bag. So if you are looking for a perfect bag to hang from your stroller, this is it for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Look at all the goodies inside. You have a memory foam change pad here. So soft and cushy. I loved using that for my newborn. Then down in there also you have your backpack straps. I'm checking to see if I have Donatella on one of them, but I do. Yay! She's right there. So cute. So I've got my 2 backpack straps. And then I've also got my shoulder strap, which I do have Donatella on there as well. Not centered, but hey, I'm not gonna be that picky. It's so cute though. I love this print. It's like, you know, I love pastel prints from JuJuBe. I feel like the white background on this, the paper background, like the lined paper, really helps soften the print because there are some bright colors, but it's just not like bam in your face. So I really like that. Now that I have it empty, that's what it looks like on the inside. So cute. I absolutely love it. And I love my print placement on it. So cute. Love it. Okay, so I think, oh, I've got one more piece of Little Terrors. So let's open that up. I'm making a huge mess over here with all of my plastic. Ooh, I got the Beast set as well because every time there's a Toki release, I like to get a Beast set because I have a collection. And they're just one of my favorite things to collect from JuJuBe. They're just so much fun to pack bags with. So here's the Beast set and Little Terrors. That's my large piece. Here's the back. So we got Donatella on both sides. I didn't see that till just now when I turned it around. I got Donatella. All right, so that is the large. Let's look at the medium. That's the back. No, I guess they're not putting tags on the medium anymore. Like, did that happen a while ago? I don't know. So either side, you don't have any tags that are taking up the print. So I love that. So let's see what the small looks like. That's my small piece. I really like this little guy too with this shark outfit. That's so cute. Aw. There's so many fun characters to spot on these types of prints, and they're all new to me, so I love that. These are all really, really cute. So that is my Beast set, and that is the last piece of Little Terrors. So let's go ahead and dig into the Century of Magic, which I just want to say, like, isn't it crazy that Disney has been around for 100 years? I just feel like that's so long. Like, they haven't been around that long, but they have. It's crazy to me. I've got a lot of good pieces in here, you guys. I wanted to share things with you from this release. Isn't this cute? There's so many different characters on here. I'm gonna try and go over all of them because I feel like I've seen every movie on here. I can't even remember what I was just saying because I got so distracted by the cute print. Oh, yeah, I tried to pick bags that I knew you guys would want to take to Disney because this is such a bag that I would take to Disney because it's celebrating 100 years. Like, that is huge. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Beast set first. I'm pretty sure there's no like set print placement for this particular release, but I could be wrong. I mean, maybe there is, because this is completely perfectly centered. That's really cute. Oh, they even have Aurora on here. She is my top favorite princess. So, oh, there's so many cute ones. Look at, there is Pete's Dragon. There's the little kitty from Aristocats. Jasmine, Peter Pan, Daisy. You've got Goofy from Fox and the Hound. You've got Dumbo, Cruella, Thumper, Ariel, Moana, and the list goes on and on. There's just so much, and I think my favorite print placement is gonna be Lady because she looks so much like Emma, my dog. But look at this print placement. I got Aurora right on the edge. That is so cute. And she may be my top favorite print placement because she's my favorite. But, oh, this is so cute. I wonder, is this the lining of the bag too? I haven't even looked. Yeah, okay. So this is kind of like a staggered print. Oh, that they put the small piece inside my medium piece this time. Oh. Pete's Dragon on both sides of that one. Okay, so this is what the lining looks like for the 100 Years of Magic, Century of Magic. It's really cute. It's like just presents, balloons, poppers, party hats, just like celebration, you know? So this is really cute though if you guys are looking to get the Beast set. I love mix and match Beast sets like this. They just all go really well together. So that is the Beast set. I've got so many more bags still. I'm gonna try not to drag this out too long, you guys. I know I get really chatty in these videos because I just have so much fun unboxing things and unwrapping. So I also got, is this This is the Bestie Plus. So what's the difference between the Bestie and the Bestie Plus? Because I think that my little tears was not a Bestie Plus. I could be wrong, but I'll find out when I open it. This is really cute. I do think there's set print placements because this is just absolutely perfect print placement. So I love that. How cute would this be at Disney, you guys? I saw so many people when I was in California recently, and their main bags that they were carrying around, yeah, this has a change pad in it. So you could technically use this as a little diaper bag. Look how cute. I love that it comes with a change pad, and it has this little pocket in the front. Just perfect for that. Love it. That's perfect. But anyway, so when I was down there were so many people wearing like crossbody bags and smaller bags at Disney, Universal, and all those places. So I think that's what people are just using these days. So something like this would be perfect at Disney. So there's the Bestie Plus. I love that it comes with a change pad. This in particular I wanted to share with you guys because this was the style that I saw like 90% of the women wearing when I went to the theme parks down in Cali. It's a sling. So a lot of them were wearing these crossbody on their fronts. So I think this is the way to go, and you can put a really small water bottle in here and things like that. But isn't this just perfect? So cute. So like, wear it on the front. I love that. I don't even think I've done a review on the sling yet. If you guys want to see me do a review on the sling, let me know down in the comments below because I love wearing bags like this, whether I'm walking my dog, I'm going hiking and things like that. I love to carry these types of bags with me. Super cute in this print. All right, the last bag, I'm pretty sure this is the last thing, yeah. So the other bag that I thought you guys would want to see in person is the Be Zealous, and I think these are currently out of stock, but this is like the bag. If I still had babies, I'm having trouble getting it out of packaging, but if I still had babies and I was going to a theme park, specifically Disney, this is the bag you would want to bring because this is going to hold all the things. This is the Be Zealous, and I took the Be Zealous in the Toy Story print for our last trip, and it was amazing. So perfect, so comfortable. But this is just so cute. I love this. Perfect print placement, so it is set, I can tell. But isn't that the cutest? And there's just so many fun characters. I'm seeing the Cheshire Cat, Mickey Mouse, Stitch, Mr. Toad, Tinkerbell, Chip and Dale, the mouse from Dumbo. Just so many different fun characters. So there's also Daisy on there. There's just so many. But this is so cute. I just love this particular print is just celebrating 100 years of animation with Disney. That's just amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful. I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys. You can shop through that anytime. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.